Switching your TikTok personal account into a TikTok Pro account. Hey there, everybody. Are you ready to continue your TikTok marketing journey? We hope you are, because we're about to show you how to use TikTok to grow your business to the next level. In the previous lessons, we showed you the basics about joining and using the TikTok platform, and now we're going to take it all one step further by showing you how to switch your new TikTok account into a Pro account that'll let you take advantage of all that TikTok has to offer. Getting started. Doing this is simple enough, and you can start on the TikTok home screen while logged into your account. From there, tap on the Me shortcut icon to go to the account screen. Next, tap on the menu icon on the top right corner to go to the account settings screen. Now tap on the Manage My Account option located under the Account section. Switching into a Pro account. Once in the Manage My Account screen, tap on the Switch to Pro account link. Okay, now that you're about to make the switch, you might be wondering, what's a Pro account all about? A Pro account is simply a free account upgrade that will give you access to the necessary tools to grow and track your performance. With a Pro account, you can also view analytics, which will let you find out how your videos perform and to learn more about your followers. Alright, now continue by tapping on the Continue button. Next, choose a category. This will allow you to get customized analytics. You can tap on Next after you select your account category. On the following screen, enter your phone number into the phone number field and then tap on Next. You'll receive an SMS code to your phone that you'll have to enter on the next screen, right into the 4-digit phone code field. Enter the code and then tap on Done to continue. Awesome job! Now you have a Pro TikTok account. Let's tap on OK to finish. After you switch to Pro, an Analytics tab will be added to your account settings screen, right under the Account section. Tap on this tab to go to the Analytics screen, where you will see a detailed overview of your account performance, which can help you to make decisions and optimize your content according to the results you're getting here. Switching to a Pro account is not permanent, and you can go back to a personal account if you want to, with just a few simple steps. All you would have to do is to go to the Account Settings page and tap on the Manage My Account tab under the Account section, and then tap on the Switch Back to Personal Account link. And this is it, my friends. Now you can fully take advantage of all the marketing features that TikTok offers. Next up, we'll be showing you how to customize your TikTok business profile the right way. Stay tuned.